and welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. Actually, today's tip comes from the man himself, good old Cheap Joe Miller. He told me this tip and it was one of those things that was like, duh, like why didn't this register on my brain? But today we're going to be talking about when you're trying to establish season or temperature or a feel with a painting, you use color. And this is how you do it. Keep in mind that the color that occurs in the foreground sets the tone. So if you want a cool wintry scene that seems crisp and everything like that, make sure that cools occur in the foreground. And any kind of warms would be further away. And the reverse is true if you're trying to convey warmth for summer, spring, that kind of stuff. Warms occur in the foreground and the cools are in the background. I have some Joe examples from where he taught at a workshop to show you here. So the first is a cool. This is a snow scene with kind of a farmhouse. And as you can see, the cool blue and gray tones that are all throughout the foreground demonstrate that this is a cool setting, wintertime scene. And with the sunset, you have the warms that occur in the background. Whereas the reverse is true with this abstracted piece, where again it is like a farm scene, but you see those warm, bright, crisp colors in the foreground, and it creates this kind of feeling where it's understood like spring, summer kind of thing. So easy trick to keep in mind is that you're trying to convey season, do it with color in the foreground. Easy. And enjoy.